What's up, Throttle Monster fans? This is Travis and Dalton here. We are in Minot, North Dakota at the Nodak Speedway, getting ready for a big event Saturday night.
We're about to start doing our regular maintenance on the trucks every week. Just got them out of the trailer, just got the tires out. We're going to tire them up, fuel them up, pre-race them, and we're going to take you along for the ride. What's the problem, man?
Well, we go trucking up and down the road many miles, zigzagging all over the United States, and not only monster trucks take abuse, but so does our working equipment. And we had some butt connectors come loose on the old jack here, and wasn't allowing for correct jackage, we could say.
That's right.
But we're gonna fix some butt connectors, tape it all back up, good as new, good for another 100,000.
That's right. First problem of the weekend is all the things that aren't supposed to break are breaking.
It's race day. We're doing our last minute finishes on the trucks, getting them ready for today. We got Dalton here putting some tune up in his truck. What's up, Dalton?
What up?
What are you doing here?
We're changing a pill. So on a mechanical injection setup, this is the big pill that we put in the barrel valve. So basically this is what controls how much fuel gets returned to the tank and what goes to the motor. So the bigger the hole on this pill right here, more fuel returns through that fuel line back into the tank, and the less fuel goes into the motor. So as we go up in elevation, got to lean them out a little bit. If you don't put a bigger pill in it, it won't get the performance you want, and it'll be really fat. It won't build any temperature, won't have any power. But this right here, changing this will make all the difference it needs.
Trucks parked for pit party. We're out here walking the track, checking the jumps out for tonight's event. We're on a dirt speedway, so dirt's a little limited, jumps are a little limited, but hey, we're gonna make the best of it and put on a show for you great fans. Track's a little muddy right now. We're hoping that it can dry out by the time show starts. Show starts at 7, and we're looking forward to seeing everybody out here. It's summer season, it's fairground time, so we like seeing all the summer fans coming out, checking the trucks out, and like to see you in the stands. finished up the show. Pretty good show. Dalton took home the wheelies win and the racing win, and I took home the donut win and the freestyle win myself. Team Throttle Monster sweep. Dalton, on the other hand, what happened, Dalton?
I think I caught a gravity pocket.
They'll
You
get
guys
you.
talk about it all the time, and I think I finally found one.
Yeah. Gravity pocket 1, truck 0. Throw some more red line oil in it, get this thing back to the truck or trailer, and we're gonna get the tires off and we're gonna get out of here.
Dalton here. We're new to this whole YouTube thing, you know, just trying to figure out what we're doing and, you know, what we like to produce and what you guys like to see. Got to give all the credit to Mikey Vaughters Jr. and V2 Vids. He's the one who started this whole YouTube monster truck vlogging thing, and you know, we're having a lot of fun with it. You know, it's pretty cool to get to show you guys behind the scenes of what we do. So, you know, if you enjoy it, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what we can do different. Let us know what you want us to do, what you want to see, and that'll be about it. Team Throttle Monster. See you later.